Let's start discussing exercises related to vocabulary portion now. So we have first exercise, which is complete the sentences with the correct form of the words in parentheses. हमें parentheses में कुछ words दिए हैं, उनके हमने correct form बना के blanks fill करने हैं. So first is I am grateful for your dash help, और हमारे पास word है value. तो यहाँ पे हम अगर इसका adjective बनाएं तो बन जाएगा valuable help. Second is single mothers get little dash for the hard work they do, and word is recognize. इसके लिए noun बनेगा recognition. Third is a lot of dash research is being done into gene manipulation, and हमारे पास है word science. Again इसका adjective बनेगा scientific. Fourth is the organization I work for deals with the dash of wildfire, and word is protect. तो इसका हमारे पास noun बनेगा protection. Fifth is my wife has a special dash of animals, and the word is understand. Again we'll have noun derived from it is understanding. Sixth is your shop has a dash window display, and word is impress. इसका बन जाएगा impressive. Seventh is the magazine has a dash of interesting articles on food, and we have word vary. इससे हमारे पास आ जाएगा variety. Eighth is his greatest dash was winning a gold medal at the Olympics, and हमारे पास word है achieve. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास noun बन जाएगा achievement. Ninth is everyone has been so dash since I lost my job, and we have word sympathy in parentheses. Everyone has been so sympathetic. 10th is there is a slight dash that you will get the job, and we have word possible in parentheses. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा possibility. 11th is the teacher asked the students to write a dash of the text, and we have word summarize. It will be summary. 12th is writing speeches for dash is his specialty, and we have word politics. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा politicians. Let's move on to our next topic, which is of compound words. So compound words क्या होते हैं? When two words are used together to yield a new meaning, a compound is formed. मतलब कि दो words को मिला के जब आप एक word बनाते हो और उसका meaning भी होता है तो उसको compound word बोलते हैं. Compound मतलब दो word मिला के एक compound बन रहा है आपके पास. तो ये हो जाएगा a compound is formed. Compound words can be written in three ways: as open compounds, जैसे कि spelled as two words, example ice and then space cream. Closed compounds, joined to form a single word, example door knob. अब इसमें कोई space नहीं है. और hyphenated compounds, जैसे कि two words joined by a hyphen, example long, बीच में एक hyphen है and then term. Sometimes more than two words can form a compound, example mother hyphen in hyphen law, mother-in-law. So let's move to its exercise. अब इस exercise में क्या है, आपको एक box दिया गया है, उसके अंदर बहुत सारे words है. What you have to do is you have to read the words in the list below, use two words from the list to make one compound word and use them in sentences. इनमें से आपने दो words लेने हैं, उनका जिनका भी compound word बन रहा है बनाना है, और उस word को आपने sentence में use करना है. Let's see how we'll do that. So words हमने बना लिए हैं. First word is grandfather. इसका sentence हो जाएगा her grandfather died 10 years ago. अब जैसे कि grand एक अलग word है, father एक अलग word है, इसको मिला के हमारे पास grandfather एक different word आ जाता है, which is a compound word. Then space suit. The new style space suit is much lighter than the older one. The next is doorbell. The doorbell rang and Katie went to answer it. Milkshake. Sentences: after class we walked to the student union building and shared a chocolate milkshake. Roommate. Do you have a roommate already? Airplane. The idea of getting on an airplane squelched any plans for traveling with him. Squelched का मतलब होता है crushed. Motherboard. It is possible to install most new motherboard without configuring anything. Softball. Last night I played softball for the first time. Steamboat. In the same year, the first steamboat reached New Orleans. Indoor. The hotel is home to a fitness center and an indoor swimming pool. Walkout. 3 days later, 3,000 bus workers staged a walkout in progress. Handout. Now it seems we see it almost as a charitable handout. Halfway. There was no one but the maid who was halfway down the stairs. So C part is fill in the blanks with the words below, one of which may be used twice. हमें कुछ words दिए गए हैं like in case, unless, provided, in the event, whether. हमने इनको blanks में use करना है और एक word जो है वो repeat भी हो सकता है. So first is dash that Jamila sees the broken vase, just tell her the dog ran into it. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा in case. Second is take my phone number with you when you travel. Dash you need to get in contact with me. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा in the event. Third is dash that you have filled out the form correctly. You should get your refund within 7 working days. Provided that. Fourth one is dash you tell me where to go, I'll get lost. Unless you tell me where to go, I'll get lost. Fifth is bring these chips with you dash you get hungry on the journey. In case you get hungry on the journey. Sixth is Jasmine needs to know dash you still want to buy her old car or not. Jasmine needs to know whether you still want to buy her old car or not. So we are done with the vocabulary portion. Thank you.